today we've got a Volkswagen Golf R32 MK4 and we're going to be fitting the Bilstein B14 ride-out adjustable dampers and springs. So it's a coilover kit. So this has currently got an old kit on the car that's been on the car since for about 8 years. It's a little bit tired, needs a refresh, and what better to do, put the best in the business. So Bilstein, do the best. This is a gas strut. This will lower it around about 20 to 50 mil on their TUV approval, but we're going to take the helpers out of this and we're going to go as low as we can with it. So it won't have a helper spring and it won't have a collar at the bottom, so this will be nice and low. And it's actually my car, so yeah, stay tuned.
So we've just fitted the Bilstein B16 Coilover kit to this R32. Now we're going to get on and change the front brakes or front brake pads to
the
EBC's Ultimax 2s.
Tell the world about your valve cap, wheel cap, ting.
My OCD.
Yeah, your OCD.
Okay, so my OCD is that, which is from a friend of mine called Bart, the cap, which is now damaged, okay, has to line up with the valve. So the valve lines up to that bolt there, so that has to line up like that.
So the bottom of the wheel cap
Has
in
to be
line
double-
with the valve,
Yeah.
and then also, what else was it?
Well, if it has a yellow dot on the valve, usually some tyres have a yellow dot for balancing. So you'd have the yellow dot here, the valve, one of the bolt holes will be around that line, and then your caps, so it's all one big line. That's how OCD I am.
And that's normally where the locker goes, isn't it, that top?
Yeah, put the locker in the top one. Yeah, I'm not bad. Love it, really do. Height's good. Needs to settle, so it's probably going to come down a little bit more, but black wheels, new tyres. Yeah, it's transformed it, yeah. It's really good, really happy with it.